You know, the first time we met, what was the experience like for you?
I think it was a strange time the first time we met.
Yeah.
Because I was, as you rightly know, we were in Stratford. I was busy doing my own work. And your friend there wanted to use the charger. And we just got talking, and I think what the title of your book, Gold
Mine of Your Mind.
Gold Mine of Your Mind, intrigued me because at the time I was doing work around the whole law of attraction and clearing my mind out, limiting beliefs. So I think the book came at the time when I was looking at that area. It was something that I was being drawn towards. So I think, yeah, when we met in the title of your book, I was drawn to the book.
You know, I eventually coached you, but it took a bit of time before you got around to actually signing up for coaching. So what happened between that time we met and the time you decided to coach with me?
I suppose, as you know, it takes me time to get going.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I know.
But once I put my mind to something, then I do it. And I think it was like, because I'd already was working with the coach, it was like, did I need to get myself another coach? But then I think it was like, when we had the first session and the coaching was about me, my mindset, clearing those limiting beliefs, giving me exercises to do, then I started to see the difference. Then I thought, okay, yeah, I need to go and pursue this.
So from our first session to our last session, can you describe the shift you actually got, and you know what was the experience like?
So I think for me, I've had a complete 360. It's like people around me are saying I'm a completely different person. I believe in myself. I'll stand up for myself now. If someone does something I don't like, I'll actually challenge them now more than I would. I believe in my skill set. I believe in my worth. I believe I have a lot of value to offer to others. So all of that, I didn't believe in myself before. And I think, so I think for me, it's been clearing away a lot of things that have held me back. And I think also like all the different exercises. So the one about clearing the childhood, going back to the inner child, that was really powerful. And then the exercise of being the real me, who's me in the future. Because I made a note of every day I went on my travels, I've made notes as to who I'm going to become. And I'm holding fast that, you know what, there's a lot to me to give. And I just need to keep moving forward. Oh, definitely. Even now, it's like sharing with other people. When people are sitting down and asking me why have I shifted so much, then I share with them that I changed my mindset. And it's like the importance of doing that. I'm still doing, like, not every day that I used to do, but every now and again I'll pick up my pen and do the exercises. You know, I've got the power within me to change who I need to be. You know, all of those type of things. I still sit down, I still read them, because I know that I need to put positive energy in my body. So when I'm feeling a bit low, I just pick that up and start to do it again. And I get this, you get the shift quicker because it's already embedded. You know, so it's like not just like my immediate family, it's other people around who've taken steps in their life because of the changes that have happened in me or my children. So yeah, it's very much a domino effect.